Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Okay, today we are going to learn a small grammar point from class 7 second language English, that is types of sentences. Okay, look at these sentences. Can you read the first one? Yes, the earth moves round the sun. Look at the second sentence. Read this. Please open the door. Okay, can you see the picture also? Read the third one. Yes, what do you like? Okay, let's read the next sentence. Hooray, let's go for play. Fine. Look at the last sentence. Go and bring the file. Fine. If you look at these sentences, are all sentences one and the same? What differences can you see there? Yes, you are right. Here, the first sentence ends with a full stop. Okay, the second sentence also ends with a full stop. But look at the third sentence. There is a question mark. And if you look at the fourth sentence, there is an exclamatory mark. Okay, that means if you look at all these sentences, they have different punctuation marks. One ends with full stop, another having exclamatory mark, and one sentence having a question mark and all. And also, these sentences are different in different way, like the first sentence, the earth moves round the sun. This is a statement or the fact. And if you look at the second sentence, please open the door, this is a request, isn't it? Let's look at the next one. Let's differentiate now. The earth moves round the sun. The first sentence, it is a fact. Please open the door, this is a request. What do you like? This is a question. Hooray, let's go for play. Yes, it's an exclamation. And go and bring the file, it's an order. In this way, we can broadly classify these sentences into 4 types. The first one is assertive or declarative. The second is interrogative. Third one is imperative. And fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So, the sentences are broadly classified into these 4 types. So, let us know one by one in detail. The first one is assertive sentence. So, assertive sentence which states facts and ends with full stop. How to identify assertive sentences? So, assertive sentences having a full stop. Not only that, it is a fact or a statements or simple sentences. Example, Rama goes to school. This is assertive sentence. Okay, ice melts. This is a fact, so it is assertive sentence. Sugar is bad for health. This is assertive sentence. Okay. Next, interrogative. You can identify the interrogative sentences very easily because interrogative sentences are nothing but they are the questions which ends with a question mark. You can identify the interrogative sentences by looking at the punctuation mark, and also they are questions like yes or no type question, WH questions and all. And imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are usually they are commands or requests. Okay, for example, could you please open the door? Could you please give me a pen? These are the requests. We can say it as imperative. Or please bring water. Okay, bring water. Okay, go out of the class. This is what you call it as commands. These are also imperative sentences. Okay. And finally, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences can be easily identified because they are surprise, wonder or pity, and there we can see the exclamatory mark also. If there is an exclamatory sentence, then we put an exclamatory mark. Okay. In this way, we can broadly classify assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. Okay, fine. Hope you understood these 4 types of sentences. Now let's try to find the answer for these questions. In the 7th standard English textbook, page number 46, G1, you have a small task given there. So what is the task given there? Look at these sentences. Okay, there are many sentences given in your textbook. But in these sentences you cannot see a punctuation mark. You are going to put the punctuation mark wherever necessary, and also you have to classify them. We have already discussed these 4 types of sentences. According to the 4 types of sentences, you have to identify what type of sentence it is. So let's try to do the first one. One example I will give you. Can you ride a motorbike? If you look at this sentence, there is a question mark at the end, and it's a common question, so that is, it is interrogative sentence. Now look at the second one. Open the window. Okay, what type of sentence it is? Yes, it is a open the window is a command, or maybe a request also. That means we can put it in as a imperative sentence. Also the punctuation mark, as you know, that it is a full stop. Next, can you read the next sentence? Yes, sugar is bad for your teeth. So this is nothing but it's a fact, isn't it? Sugar is bad for our teeth, so that's why it is a, yes, it is an assertive sentence. We have to put a full stop, and also it is an assertive sentence. Look at the fourth sentence. Please be quiet. Okay, so this is nothing but it's a request. That's why it is, yes, you are right, it is imperative sentence. Can you look at this? Yes, how hot it is. Yes, what type of sentence it is? Yes, no, it's not an interrogative sentence. It is, yes, exclamatory, because remember how hot it is. It may look like a question, but it's not a question. How hot it is an expression of excitement or surprise, like that. So that's why this is, yes, an exclamatory sentence. Remember, so in exclamatory sentence you can also see immediate verb after the WH question. So we went to Shirdi last month. Yes, can you guess what type of sentence it is? Yes, you are right, it is assertive sentence. We have to put the full stop there. Next, just read this. What a rude man he is again. So yes, you are right, this is exclamatory sentence. We have to put an exclamatory mark there. Finally, what are you doing there? It's a simple question. That means it is interrogative sentence. Hope you have done this task very easily and understood the task, and you have some more tasks also given. Okay, in your textbook also the same sentences are given. You can either take the screenshot of this, or you may refer your textbook and do it as a homework. Okay, you just read the sentence first and put the correct punctuation mark, and also categorize as these 4 types of sentences. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this small grammar point very well. Thank you. See you next time with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.